Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A1 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. First of all, open your phone gallery. Then select the contact that you want to personalize and tap on edit. Now tap on add picture and you can either choose some picture from your gallery. You can grab a picture right now by tapping on camera, or you can pick some illustration, for example this one. Then you can customize it however you like. You can also, actually no, you cannot zoom it in or out, but if you are adding your own picture, you will be able to zoom it in or out. And then once you have the option that you like the most, tap on choose and click on save to apply the change. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.